Today in this video, I will discuss with you writing task 1. So without wasting any time, let's have a look on the question. The question says, the given graphs below shows result of a survey of college going boys and girls activities other than academic studies. So the graphs are about the activities of the students rather than the subject learning. So, summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So, these are the graphs which are pie charts for boys and girls, and their sector of interest were, for boys it was football, basketball, baseball, listening to music, computer games, surfing the internet, reading. Okay. And for girls it was gym and aerobics, dancing, sports, listening to music, computer games, surfing the internet and reading. Only 3 or 4 things match with the boys, okay, like computer games, surfing internet and reading, listening to music. And for sports they were 12% and boys were almost 40% in playing outdoor games, like 13 plus 7, 20 and 20, 40% love to play football, basketball and baseball. So let's have a look how we will answer this question. So this is our paraphrasing. The pie charts represent the entertainment sector of girls and boys other than their subject. That means what they love to do and in their college rather than studying their subjects. So this is our overview. Overall, it can be noticeable that most of the boys, that is around 80%, are highly inclined towards computers and playing outdoor games. That means out of 100, we can say that 80% were involved in 2 things, that were computer and playing outdoor games. Whereas 1/4 of the girls are interested in dancing. 1/4 means 20% were interested in, 25%. 1/4 means 25%. So 25% were interested in, are interested in dancing and live a more active life compared to boys. That means girls were highly interested in other sectors, but boys 80% were involved in these 2 things, and rest we can see that their life was not more active. Okay, so as you can see that 13 plus 20 plus 7, 34 plus 15, so it's almost 79, as 13 plus 7 is 20 and 20, 40, and 34 plus 15 is 49. So almost 79. So we have written 80% of students, boys, were involved in these 2 things. That means playing outdoor games and surfing the internet. And for computers, okay, on computer they did the surfing and the played games. Whereas 25% girls like dancing and that's it, and their life is more active than boys. Okay, so it is vividly apparent that half of the boys spend their time on computer either for surfing or playing games. Okay, whereas only 30% girls spend their time on it. For computers, half of the students, half of the boys, means 50% of boys. See, this is 34 plus 15, which is 49. So almost 50% of students spend their time on computers either for games or for surfing the internet. Whereas only 20% of the girls, 30% of the girls, 20 for surfing the internet and 10 for the computer games. So 30% spend their time on computer as compared to boys. And 8% of both girls and boys love to listen to music. So that means the both were similar in case of listening to music. As you can see, for listening to music, boys were 8% and girls are also 8%. As no year is given, so we can write this answer in present form as well. So lastly, the outdoor activities of boys are basketball, football and baseball, which include 20%, 13% and 7% of boys respectively. Okay, that means 20% for basketball, 13% for football and 7% for baseball. That's why we have written respectively here. So you can see that outdoor activities means playing the games. 13% football, 20% basketball and 7% baseball. Whereas 12% of girls are involved in sports. So but only 12% of girls are involved in sports. Moreover, only 3% of boys prefer reading, but 19% of girls opt for reading. So the 19% were chosen reading, and 6% enjoy going to gym and aerobics. Okay, so 6% goes to gym and aerobics. You can see that 19% prefer reading and 6% goes to gym and aerobic.
So this is the end of our video. Hope you learned something. I will see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, then hit on the like button, share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel for more IELTS related videos. Thank you and all the very best for your IELTS exam.